It's a travel vlog. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sindel. If you're new here, Karibu Sana, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are the OG. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Anyway, greetings from the paradise, El Paraíso, guys. Look at this. How beautiful is that? Do you guys want to guess where I'm at? Oh yeah, I'm in Seychelles, baby. Oh my god, this place is so beautiful. It is breathtaking. The beach, the water, the views. Like, this is our first day here and I'm already in love. So I will definitely keep you guys posted in the video. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe into the channel just to get more on my trip. So right now it's like 9 a.m. We're going for breakfast, and yeah, we're having breakfast with a beautiful view. So I will see you guys in the video, and I'll keep you posted on what we'll be up to today. But so far so good. Look at that, guys. How cool is this? And our hotel is literally right in front of the beach. So awesome. Let me go. Let's go have breakfast. We'll be back.
Of course, it all depends what you would like.
Okay.
Definitely, if the sea is nice and calm like this, make the most of it because it's not normal for this time of year, sir.
Okay.
So yeah. So I've already explained about Curieux and Saint-Pierre for that half day trip. Also, Coco Island, Big Sister, Small Sister, and Felicité. That's a lovely package there. Amazing for us.
Day one in Seychelles, and that's my outfit of the day. There you go. Let me show it to you nicely. that is the outfit of the day in Seychelles. And yeah, we'll just be beach hopping today, nothing much, taking it slow. But yeah, that's the plan today, beach hopping. So let's go on the first beach. Plus we're driving, so makes it easier for all of us. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, don't go. We are at Anse Lazio beach, and someone had suggested we go to Petite Anse Lazio, so that's where we're going. We just came back to the car to like change our shoes and put on some sneakers because apparently it's a 10 minutes hike. So yeah, it will be better with closed shoes because it's been drizzling and we don't want to like sleep and fall and hurt ourselves and ruin the vacation. So that's why we have our closed shoes on, and then we take like the 10 minutes go check out Petite Lazio, and yeah, Anse Lazio, and yeah, let's just see what the fuss is all about. So let's go, guys, let's go check it out.
I didn't even see these guys back here.
Oh my god. Pretty big? Oh, good.
The ones I have, they're pretty good, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Mine are too. Mm-hmm.
Careful.
I am. How's it going?
It's going. Oh.
Careful. Halfway through the hike. 5 minutes in. You're so unfit, babe.
Excuse me?
Uh-huh.
Unfit.
Oh my god. Damn. Do you think a snake can come out of this race?
Nope, not.
Or fall on us? Oh my god. Where did I start thinking of that? Just be careful. Oh, we're here. Awesome. Oh yeah, we're putting some dancers for free pops. We made it to the little private beach. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It was worth the 8. We did it in 8 minutes. He told us it's 10 minutes, but we did it in 8 minutes. So super proud of ourselves. But this is so beautiful. Awesome.
So here we are, day one in the
In Seychelles.
on the island.
Praslin Island. So we came to this beach. It's called
Petite.
Anse Lazio. Petite Anse
Petite
Lazio.
Anse Lazio.
It's like the smaller version of Anse Lazio, which is literally around these rocks over here.
10-minute
But
hike that way.
yeah, you can't access it directly. You just have to take a 10-minute hike, which we did, and it was so awesome.
Take a
But
look at this place.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Oh my god.
These rocks.
And the water feels so good. This was good, babe.
Yeah, it was good. This is day one.
Mm-hmm.
We have another day and a half, and then we're going to the La Digue, right?
Yeah, in 2 days.
A couple days.
Yeah.
And then to the Big Island. Bye.
We'll see you guys there. Don't go anywhere. Click on the video if you haven't. Like, subscribe on my channel if you haven't. And I will see you in the video.
See ya.
Bye. Back on the trail, heading back to the main beach, Anse Lazio. See you there. You can see the beach from up here.